Chris Chinnock here, CES 2026 BOE Varitronics booth. I'm with Tom. He's going to take us through the automotive displays. So let's... Thank you, Tom. Please.
Okay. Let me introduce. The first one is Chinese UV cell. UV cell. This is do the conversion. One left side is a UV cell. Right side is a normal TFT. This one we blame is ultra black. UV stand for ultra black, ultra process of BM. So this one is fundamental increase the display performance, increase the contrast from 1500 to 2500. NTSC from 87 go up to 95, and the reflectance from the 1.8 improve to monochromatic. So the fundamental increase the display performance. Here's demos to demonstrate the better display performance.
Yeah.
UV cell is not new one, already mass bottom on TV application, but this is the new one. We plan this the way for automotive. Yeah.
I remember you showed this in September at the Detroit vehicle show. Yes. So, okay, great.
Yes. This is the next already mass production in consumer products. So this year, end of this year, we mass production for automotive.
So you're going through the qualification for automotive now?
Yeah, 2026. Yeah, this is end of this year. This is our target. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay, next one is under display camera.
Yes.
Yeah, this is menu here this year. The camera.
And you can see me recording here.
Okay. The camera is here.
Right there, you got it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what we needed is put the strong IR camera at the backside using a special optics of a light guide to match together and to achieve this one. Yeah, because DMS need camera to do camera. DMS lead camera system. But the people didn't like to see the camera. Didn't this one. So they have this idea.
So tell me how the light guide in the camera works. You said there's a light. You use a light guide.
Yeah. This is the light guide with many film, but we need to use a special film. Would not block the IR. Yeah, can see through the light, see through the TFT light guide every pattern, and then see the picture. So need to use a special light guide, special film to achieve this one. Yeah, the panel is normal, but actually the pattern need to further improve. I mean the BM to enhance further improve the where the glass some reflections, something like that.
Okay. So do you have a plan to also be able to do an RGB camera under display as well?
No, not yet. Yeah, because actually for DMS low color camera leader. If RGB for this type of a camera, we will use OLED to achieve. But not TFT. But actually for car application, no customer asks us the RGB camera mainly focus on IR. So should be like this one, still focus on this one. If RGB color we use on notebook, with a notebook or mobile phone, we will consider this one. Yeah, this for automotive, still keep IR camera.
Okay. All right, very good.
Okay.
Very good, thank you.
Okay, next one is Skyline Display. Yeah, we put it at here. It's a one big lens with a 224-inch 5K resolution display, with also local dimming backlight. Okay, actually we should put the OLED panel here, but we just put narrow border display here to manipulate this panel. Because this unit original used on new ES6. Yeah, this is a new car with 24-inch light. This unit original CID is OLED, but we put a narrow border display here to match it again.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, therefore this unit is 2.2, 2.26 mm. It's a level border display as a CID. But better performance must be OLED. Yeah, originally it's a 15.6 OLED panel.
So you call it a Skyline Display because of this long aspect ratio? Yeah. Okay. That seems like wider than a car, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Original some unit is a curve. Yeah. This one is
It's just flat. Yeah. Is this TFT?
Yeah, TFT, both TFT.
Okay. So
Ending on a single bit cover length. Yeah.
can you cold form this into a curve?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, another model. Yeah, if using OLED, it is cold form. Yeah, cover length. Yeah. This is because the Neo has several models. One is using OLED, another is TFT.
I see. Okay.
Okay, the next one is micro LED.
Yes.
Yes, as you know, micro LED is a high lumens. That is good for smart surface display. Yeah, this is purple concept demo unit. Yeah.
Yeah. Very bright. What's the transmissivity of this, do you think?
The transmissive, the panel is around, because using the film, around 23%. That didn't
23%?
If using printing or other method will be higher. But this is a trade-off. Higher transmittance, then the reflectance is not that good.
Okay.
That's why this one is using 23 transmitters. Where we reflect transmittance, the reflectance is better. So also with film, there's some fresher feeling.
Yes.
Yeah.
The better texture.
Yes, texture.
Okay.
Okay. Next one is micro LED PHAT.
So is this basically the same? Oh no, this is a brighter display. Yeah.
Not the same. This is a mono.
Yeah. Yeah, this is very bright. Yeah. So there's the panel down below there. So is this ready for mass production yet?
I guess, but another special application but can use in the vehicle. Yeah. So micro LED right now is development phase. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, very high lumens. This is 300 nits.
Yes, I see that.
Demo already adjust lower. Yeah, because 300,000 then
Way too bright. Yeah. Yes, I agree. Okay.
Okay, next is live field display. This is with eye tracking system. Based on your eyes to adjust the position. Okay, yeah, we go inside and we adjust.
A little closer here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now I don't know if I...
And then press the button to adjust the focal length. Yeah, to keep the image 3 meter. Yeah, the screen is 56 inch.
Okay.
Original screen is just a 5 inch. That based on the optics, then you can do the screen project.
Okay.
3 meter far away and then fixed screen 56 inch.
Are these just traditional glass optics in here? Reflective glass optic?
Yeah.
Okay.
So make the people more comfort. Yeah. See the movie. Yeah, good for basic entertainment.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Seems to work pretty well.
Okay. Yeah, another one is some mechanical part. This is the smart swing screen. That means that right now in vehicle, the screen or CID is not fixed. They can use some mechanical part to adjust the position. Okay, more comfort to use. That's why you show it here. Some China OEM adopt these solutions. Yes, yes. So the range, quite accuracy, 0.5 degrees accurate angles. And also the motor is the XY move together, but not single.
Yeah, I see.
That means dual axis. Yeah.
Dual axis. So what? I'm sorry. I guess why do you need to do this?
Yeah, because if the CID fix one position, then sometimes the driver cannot use more comfort. But if the CID can move, that means based on
a tall driver or a short driver.
Yeah, can adjust the screen. Yeah, more comfort, more convenience to use. Yes.
Okay.
That's why it's
okay.
Okay. Other is 3D display. Yeah, this year is price fraction. If eye tracking system, 3D.
Better get in the zone here.
Yes. This is 60 new. Another is 80 Ds. The special thing is not normal lentic lens. Right now you insert microcrystal using the panel. Yeah. Inside with micro lens with microcrystal. Yeah, you're doing the 2D, 3D stretchable. So yeah, you can see this one eye tracking 2D, 3D performance is quite well. But if change to 2D, low loss resolution. very well 2D performance. And then 3D switch on the crystal, the panel, the 3D lens on the top, then 3D performance keep.
Okay.
That's mean 2D, 3D performance right now is suitable and keep well. Yeah.
See, Tiama showed something identical to this. A two panel system doing the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah, this is quite new. Yeah, this year already mass selection. This dock on the notebook, and this is educationally needed.
But the gaming, aiming these more for gaming and other notebook applications, not automotive.
But in the future, we can promote on mass entertainment or even in the custom application to the QD 3D swivel. That should be feasible, I think. Okay. Another is also another 3D technique. This is using traditional macro lenticular lens, but our panel is a very high resolution, 12.7 inch 10K resolution. Left, right eye have a 2.5K screen. Yet the right still keep good DT performance. It is also good. Just based on traditional method, lenticular lens.
Right. Okay.
Resolution.
Now that's nice. Yeah, that's different. And you got a X holo?
Yeah, holographic image. Yeah, and also mixed with IR sensor to do hovering touch. Yeah.
I see they're doing something here.
Yeah. Sense.
We can't see it.
Yes, can see. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, I gotcha. All right, so this is what some people would call a floating image.
Yes.
Okay.
Also hovering control.
Yes, so this looks like you're using traditional optics here, parabolic mirror or something of the sort. Okay.
Okay, next one is smart surface. Yeah, so actually it's a hidden display, it's smart surface.
Oh yeah, look at that.
This is not TFT, this is a passive display. So for also we can do like this. Like we can do the in-house painting.
Like different surfaces.
Yeah. But this is a moving in.
Yeah.
Turn it on, this is your display at the back side.
Okay.
Now we use this Texas display, lower cost to achievement.
Yeah.
They can use micro LED TFT.
These don't have texture. It's just yes. Okay.
No
texture.
No texture. This is a painting method.
Right.
Different from
okay.
This one. Yes. Yeah, after optical bonding, the performance will be further better. Right now you could for air gap, but we show that we can do in-house paintings.
Yeah. Well, it's a lower cost solution. I like it. Yep. You said it's a TFT behind this?
Not TFT. This is just a segment type.
Oh, segment display. Oh yeah.
Like
LED.
VA. Yeah, with color painting. Yeah, at the backside with a high luminance backlight. Look like TFT, but actually this is a segment display.
No, that's interesting.
Okay, good enough for some motorbike, e-bike, rivals are really good enough.
Yeah. Okay. I haven't seen that before, so that's good.
Okay, yeah. This is OLED with LCD, light control on encapsulation. Yeah, what it is low image project on the visual. When you use this one, you can see the image, but here didn't have
can see it.
Image. Yeah.
Okay.
Other GP using the BM on the top of the OLED
matrix. Yeah, to create a little louver. Yeah.
Level the viewing angle.
Tiama, same thing.
Yeah. Okay, another one is the OLED with built-in ultra fingerprint. This is a marvel function for mobile phone that we try to promote for automotive. Then use the car key using the knob with some fingerprint at the back.
Okay.
Okay. Another is rollable OLED.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, we've seen this before, of course, but not in this aspect ratio. This is smaller in a different aspect ratio than what most have shown.
Yes, maybe we see in the SID before, for that unit. Okay. And this is another one is 15.05 OLED minimum. Yeah, I think you would see before, but this time is work with the system. Yeah, and more control and then will do the system apart than this you're the demonstrator. OLED can no mass production. We do more things. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't recall seeing this before.
Yeah. Then car window. Yeah, with our segmental dimmed glasses is a dimmed glass. Yeah, not single pixel, but we depends divided into a 12 segment.
Yep.
Yeah, can do what do you say? Full on, full off, and also have a dimming. And also special function is can open just half.
Yes.
This is very special.
Yes. I think what was AGC, I think, showed this as well.
Yeah. Yeah, we can work with different gas supply to fix this.
Yeah. This is an LCD, right?
Yeah, LCD.
Yeah, it's not.
LCD. Yeah, die LCD.
Yeah. No, I mean, yeah, I forget who showed it. Yeah, someone else showed something similar. Yep.
We already have a mass production. Not this one, but it's actually this cut. Just a half part is turn on. Is this level segment tab. Yeah.
Yes. That's one big cell, one big cell, one big cell.
No. Yeah. Different pixel.
Yes, there's different cells.
Yeah.
Yes.
And turn it on. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, actually it's a single cell, but
different electrodes. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. And micro LED pH. And high contrast UV cell CID, and also have some control outside the control outside. Yeah. With yes, a hidden display. Yeah, just with a TFT local dimming. Yeah, similar as before, and then have some amplifier sound. Yeah, this is a non-display product. Yeah, this is a first time in video. Yeah, audio and also some media forecasting.
So basically integrating some of the displays we saw plus some other stuff. Okay, I think that mostly covers it.
Okay, yeah.
Great. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.